So here's how I created this shadow effect in Elementor under a minute. First you need to do is just add a heading and just write whatever you want to. I'll add my name and then I'll just duplicate it one more time. For this one, I'll just set the color to be red for now. In the second one with the black color, all we need to do is go into the transform properties and then offset it to the perfect distance. You could just eyeball it if you wish to, like this one, and then change the offset to match it like this one. But we want this black color to be behind it. So in the layout section, we just give it lower in z index, and the red one we just give it a higher z index so that it is above that. In the bottom heading section, which is the black colored one, we go into the motion effects, we give it mouse effects, and then we give it mouse track with 0.2, and then here you could see how it is moving behind with the opposite direction. If you make it direct, it would move the shadow to the same direction, but I'll keep it opposite like this one and make the main heading color to white. And now you got this shadow effect which looks cool. And if you wish to do it, you could also make a text stroke effect of 1 pixel to the main one so that it is much more prominent, like this one.